I'd like to thank everybody for all your wishes. Personally, for singing so beautifully for me right now. Thank you. For messaging me. So many of you have sent your messages, you all have WhatsApped, and I've not been able to reply to everybody as yet, but thank you so much. And through you, members of the media, I'd like to thank all my well-wishers for all your good wishes and blessings for my birthday. मैं अपने आपके दर्शकों को और मेरे शुभचिंतकों को यही कहना चाहूँगी कि मैं दिल से आप सभी को धन्यवाद देती हूँ आपके शुभकामनाओं के लिए, आशीर्वाद के लिए और इतना सारा प्यार के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच.
आज का दिन कैसा बीता ये आपने नहीं बताया. आज आप शाम में मिले तो बहुत कुछ हो चुका होगा.
Of course. Well, obviously I've spent my day with my family, with my loved ones, with my daughter and my husband. Abhishek is home after really long. You all have been meeting him every day, way more often than me, with all the publicity and promotion of his movie. So it's been nice. It's been a nice family day. And sorry. You're busy shooting a selfie. Okay. And last night, all my friends and family were home and they brought in my birthday. And it was a very long night. And I haven't slept at all because early morning Aradhya wakes up and my schedule is on as every day. And so obviously I thought it's more, it would be more lovely to meet you all nicely, relaxedly in the evening and also get the opportunity to thank everybody for all the wishes and love that's been pouring in all day. सुबह सुबह तो anticipation में आके मैं धन्यवाद देती हूँ तो शाम को you know it's really for just a wonderful experience all day. Thank you so much.
कैसे सेलिब्रेट करती हैं बर्थडे को? मंदिर जाना या किस तरह से होता है क्या?
इट्स ऐसे कोई डिफाइंड रूटीन नहीं है. आप लोगों से ज़रूर मिलती हूँ. घर वालों के साथ वक्त बिताना मेरे लिए, परिवार के साथ, मेरे करीबी दोस्तों के साथ एक ही दिन है कि जो भी हो, जितने फ़ोन कॉल्स मैं ले पाऊँ, सभी से बात कर पाऊँ, सभी की शुभकामनाओं को रिसीव कर पाऊँ, ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही मायना रखता है. और हर साल आप लोग मुझसे यही सुनते हैं क्योंकि यही मेरी हकीकत है.
आपके लिए डबल सेलिब्रेशन होगा. आपको बर्थडे भी है और हैप्पी न्यू ईयर ने बहुत अच्छा सक्सेस मिली है और अभिषेक का काम जो है सबको पसंद
और आज रात पार्टी भी है.
अभिषेक से डबल ये मिला क्या?
करने के बाद और फुटबॉल टीम के अच्छे करने के बाद चेन्नई में काफी अच्छा कर रही है कबड्डी टीम.
जी या सो it's a good day. 2014 1st November has been a wonderful day and I think it's really sweet. Even Shah Rukh and Gauri decided to have their celebration party tonight. It's got so many meanings. I mean, it's also tomorrow Shah Rukh's birthday and we all always joke with every passing year. I think it's like, you know, we have mine's on the 1st, is on the 2nd. So I think when they have had their film together and to throw their success party tonight is all in all reason for celebration. Abhishek has received such appreciation. I can't thank you all enough for all the love and appreciation coming his way. As his wife, I'm obviously very, very pleased for him and very, very happy. Yes. Oh yes. That is wonderful to discover with each passing year. Because I think last year we were here and I was saying it's all about the singing and you know, so last year was all about the singing. That continues with more and more clarity. So that's really sweet where she sings with full aplomb. But having said that, she was already recognizing, like we say between October and November, there are so many birthdays. So she recognizes more and more. And yeah, she did know it's my birthday and there were all the flowers coming in advance. So, and she also knows her birthday is coming. So of course yesterday at one point when there was this huge bouquet of flowers, but she responds more excitedly to the bigger bouquet of balloons that came. So she was like, and whose birthday? And whose birthday? I was like, you tell me. So for a second she looked at the balloon, she said, balloons for me, but it's Mama's birthday. So it was like really adorable. She recognized it. It's really sweet.
What's the best birthday gift that I've got today? Because we heard that Abhishek has got something very special for you.
Acha, has he been sitting and having little tete-a-tetes with you all? Well, gifts and things are not something that we ever talk about. And that has never defined our relationship either. So that's something you have heard every year, and that remains consistent in our relationship. But at the risk of sounding like I'm stuck on a groove, but I think every little aspect of Aradhya's surprises is a pleasure for me, and I'm always going to be blissed out on that, I think, every time you'll talk to me.